Hey singers, welcome or welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel. Today we're focusing on one of the most challenging areas of the voice for us singers, which is mixed voice. I don't know about you, but for me, really enhancing and advancing my mixed voice capabilities is one of my primary singing objectives for 2024. I'm working hard on my mixed voice to take it to the next level, and we're going to be doing some exercises that I'm also using in this video. But you may have heard of the mixed voice as the bridge, the break, the passaggio, the middle, the place where things go wrong. I kind of made that last one up, but sometimes it is the place where things go wrong, you know? But whatever the name is, by the end of this video, you're gonna know what it is, the benefits of developing it, what happens when we sing in it, where to find it, where to find your mixed voice, and then we'll do some practical exercises that are just really crucial for developing our mixed voice. And as I've mentioned, these are exercises that I'm also doing myself. But let's talk about it. So mixed voice in singing is like a blend of chest voice and head voice. Imagine your chest voice as that deeper, stronger sound you make when singing those lower notes, kind of like speaking, and your head voice is like that lighter, higher pitched voice you use for higher notes, often sounding a little bit more airy and floaty, kind of like this now. But mixed voice really allows you to sing across a wide range of notes smoothly and powerfully without your voice breaking or sounding too different in the transition area. It's like using the strength of your chest voice and the lightness of your head voice, and then combining the two together to create this beautiful, balanced, full sound. Now, developing your mixed for singing is really important because most contemporary song melodies, they hover around the mixed voice area of the voice, you know? It's pretty much where songwriters often place their catchy choruses. But it really makes switching from low notes to high notes so much more easier and smoother without those sudden changes in the sound. When you develop it, you'll get better control over your voice, making it easier to hit a wide range of notes comfortably. It reduces strain on your voice. It massively reduces that strain so that you can sing for longer without getting tired, you know, or your vocal cords hurting, which is so annoying when the voice gets tired. But your singing is going to sound more professional and polished because you're going to be able to blend the different parts of your voice nicely. It's going to allow you to sing a variety of songs and styles effectively. You know, we need to be able to sing a variety of different songs and styles. Ultimately, it's just going to give you so much more vocal freedom. So singing in mixed voice really requires that fine balance of coordination between the resonance in your vocal tract and also the muscles controlling your vocal cords. And this is the key to really just achieving that balanced, seamless, powerful, and expressive vocal performance. Finding your mixed voice can vary between female and male voices, just because of the differences in vocal range and register transitions. But here's a general guideline on where you may find your mixed voice in both the male and the female voice. Typically, men find their mixed voice in the area where their chest voice, the lower, stronger voice transitions into the head voice, the higher, lighter voice, and this is often around E4 to G4. So around E4 to G4, it's usually the range where men will feel their voice might break or shift dramatically if not using that mixed voice approach. Women generally find their mixed voices between their chest voice and head voice as well, but this usually occurs at a higher pitch range compared to men. So for women, the mixed voice can be found around A4 to C5, and this is a zone where the voice generally transitions from that stronger, fuller chest voice to that more lighter area head voice. But remember, these ranges, they are approximates and they can vary from person to person, and a lot depends on your individual vocal characteristics and your training. But to accurately really just find and develop your mixed voice, it's often helpful to work with a vocal coach who can guide you based on your unique vocal needs.
So we're working with those bratty meows, really getting into that bratty twangy sound. Great for working your mixed voice, taking weight out of chest voice, and then also keeping the vocal cords connected.
Meow, 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 meow,
building on this. We're going to continue on with some repeats. Being really intentional with how you hit those top notes. Try not to add more weight to it as you get higher, but thin it out. Again, building on this with the repeats and the sustains. And just let that meow swell. Keeping it nice and relaxed. Nice.
So that's it for mixed voice, and developing it is just going to allow you to sing with so much ease and freedom and power so that you can creatively express yourself through the songs you sing. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe, like, hit the notification bell and share this video with anyone you feel is going to find it beneficial. Also, if you want more tech training, challenges and singing tips, download my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. It's free, so download it today. The link is below, and if you want help with your voice but don't know where to start, then book a free vocal exploration session with me. The link is below, so we can talk about your goals and make a plan and at least get you started, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.